A healing prayer for a dying earth. Against your pain. I weep for you, my goddess, as I act upon your stage. Help them to understand, for they know not what they do. Christ told them first, but no one really knew. Awaken, all her children. Arise, we have much to do. Reclaim the soil for Eden. Bring back growth and truth. We place our feet firmly on the ground, whether the sun is shining or the rain is pouring down. As the forests plea for mercy, but our hearts are the hardest ground. From the ocean deep calls the whale song, but no harmony from the land is found. Yet a new day dawns, as the light of the sun shines on the path of the rivers to the seas. From the mountains springing fountains, the clear waters rise, flowing down, becoming the rivers and the lakes that water you and I. Out to the oceans, this clarity must remain, the flow of the water toward the ebon tides. Come with me. Let us heal our land. Let this healing prayer flow through you, that the earth may live.